Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Carrd for fast landing pages that convert. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Carrd website by entering carrd.co in your browser's address bar. Once the site loads, look for the sign up button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be presented with several options for signing up. If you prefer to use your email, click on the Continue with Email option. Enter your email address in the designated field. Choose a strong password to ensure your account's security. After entering your information, click on the Create Account button. Carrd will send you a confirmation email. Check your email inbox for the confirmation. Open the email and click on the confirmation link inside. Once your email is verified, return to the Carrd website. Log in with your newly created email and password. After logging in, click the New Site button to start. You'll be prompted to choose a template for your landing page. Browse through the available templates and select one that fits your needs. Once you've selected a template, it will open in the Carrd editor. Use the editor to customize your landing page. Click on any element to modify text, images, or links. When you're satisfied with your design, click on the Publish button. Choose a domain for your landing page, or use the free Carrd subdomain. After selecting your domain, click Publish again to make your site live. Take a moment to preview your landing page before sharing the link. Make any final adjustments in the editor if necessary. Your landing page is now ready, and you can start sharing it with your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.